Friendships are such beautiful thing. It is where one soul trusts another to find comfort and liberation. Friendship is a bond of love and esteem which binds two persons usually unrelated by blood. It is a priceless possession of man which imports sweetness to life. It is a blessing a few of us have been favored with. A friend is a gift from God because real friend is a real fortune. Friendship brings bundles of joy. Man is a social being and by instinct seeks companionship of others. The essential condition of friendship between two persons is affinity of mid, taste, temperament of pursuits. The few in who we discover the affinity we make friends with, and they carve out an abiding place in our hearts. It is well said that one of the most beautiful qualities of true friendship is to understand and to be understood. Our life is short. There are few moments of happiness while the period of worries and miseries are long. Friendship brings the sunshine in the dark life of sorrow. A friend in need is a friend indeed. Prosperity gains friends and adversity tries them. So it is friendship that brings comfort in all the phases of our life. Samuel Taylor said, "Friendship is a sheltering tree." Good and loyal friends are very rare in these fast changing days. I am lucky to have number of friends. No matter how many friends we have, but we need a special friend whom we can trust blindly. I consider myself very lucky to enjoy the company of such a desired friend whose name is Dash. सो इस डैश की जगह आप लोग अपने बेस्ट फ्रेंड का नेम मेंशन करेंगे और अगर वो लड़के हैं तो शी की जगह ही और हर की जगह हिज यूज़ करेंगे आप लोग. We study in same grade and luckily in same school. She is only 3 months older than me. She belongs to a respectable family. Her father is a businessman and her mother is a teacher of government school. Friendship can be in between any two persons and there is no compulsion of age, gender, race, creed or nationality. Friendship has no boundaries and no limits. Dash is a gem in her studies. She always stands first in our class. All the teachers are proud of her abilities as there is not a single question which she cannot answer. She has a remarkable command on English language. She speaks English very fluently. She has a good handwriting. She is a top-class debater and can speak on every topic with full confidence. She won many prizes in debates, competitions and quiz programs. My best friend is better than all my other friends because she has the best qualities of the heart and mind that she uses unselfishly. Dash believes in high character and discipline. She respects all the teachers, her parents and elders. She goes to school regularly. She is also practical about her health. She gets up early in the morning and goes for a walk. She does light exercise regularly. She never tells a lie. She believes in simple living and high thinking. She is very particular about cleanliness. She stands by me through thick and thin. She never deserts me in time of need. She is ready to make any sacrifice for me. A friend is someone who makes it easy to believe in yourself. We spend most of our time together. As she is very good in studies, so she helps me whenever I have difficulty in understanding the lessons. We share our joys and sorrows. We never argue with each other, though we have some different likes and dislikes. A true friend accepts you who you are, but also helps you to become who you should be. Some girls of our school tried to create misunderstanding between us by cashing upon our differences in thinking, but we understand that every individual has different viewpoints. Whenever I stuck in any problem which I cannot handle alone, I go to her and she tries her best to solve my problem. It's like she knew all the answers for my questions. She is a wonderful person to go to if you need any advice or some kind of guidance in life. It's the friends we meet along life's road who help us appreciate the journey. Her aim is to be a doctor. For this, she wants to go to abroad. It is a little sad for me as she will not be with me, but I am also happy for her passionate dream. May Allah help her to fulfill her aim and bless her with good health. Ameen.